Before the video begins, make sure to smash that like button. Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So make sure to subscribe if you are new. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to smash the like button. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. It really helps out with the channel. Also, make sure to comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. So comment what you thought of the drawing. And also, here is Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Hopefully, you all enjoyed this drawing. This digital artwork that I made. I haven't done a digital artwork in a while, but hopefully you all enjoyed. And I think it came out really accurate to the anime. I especially really like the background of the drawing. I think the colors came out super cool. And hopefully you all enjoy this drawing of Nezuko from Demon Slayer. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.